3 months ఇస్తాను సర్వర్ యాక్సెస్. S/4HANA latest ఇస్తాను 2023 వర్షన్. If you need only functional, I can give only functional point of view where you can do ABAP also, but you may not do this Eclipse related and all. Or only the ABAP system also. I mean, generally for ABAP people, they are providing the two different systems nowadays from S4 2023 onwards. One is pure for ABAP people and one is for functional people.
Okay. If you
So,
if you want to go through the records, we need to go for YouTube only, sir.
I am uploading to YouTube directly and giving the link. You can download also that one.
Okay, sir.
You can download also. Maybe some videos I'll do recording and I will provide.
Any specific
Anyway,
document, sir?
I'll provide all
Okay.
PPTs and I'll provide
Okay.
PPT demos and I'll provide the programs demos everything I'll provide.
Okay, sir.
I will share my screen.
One more people need to join. I think Sanjay something.
Sanjay, maybe not, no problem. I think I'll go ahead. Maybe he will join in the weekdays. I may doubt to.
Okay, sir.
Again. So later I will give this one also. This demo programs also I can give it to you later. Lesson wise, topic wise, we are having that. I am having this one. For every topic is we have that one. Suppose programs, if I go to here. All notepad programs. For every topic programs also I am having the programs. But I'll write in the class, I'll write generally, I don't copy paste. I'll write on the fly. This is for your practice I can give. You see my skin, right?
Yeah, yes,
You
yes,
see
sir.
my skin?
Yes, 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 sir.
So this I'll provide. For every topic we are having that. So yesterday class we created a table, right? So I'll show the flow once just quickly. Then we'll create a table with data elements. So we have created a table without a data element concept. So this is SC11. Through SC11 we created a table. Once we created a table and then activate, it will go and set the structure in the database and data as well here. So this is our table, G table. So this we inserted the data through SC11 only, but as already you also know, so we don't insert the data through the SC11. SC11 will be accessed only for the ABAP developers. SAP functional consultants or the users will not be having the access for the SC11 T code. So to insert the data into this custom table, so we will insert manually. If you want to insert, we will insert through the SM30 T code. Through SM30, you insert the data into this table. The table. Okay. So let me will go to how to create the data into the table through SM30. Right, so we go to here. I think this is the one what we have created last class.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So So we don't create the table with this way without a data element, because a lot of features you don't get from the data element, that you understood. We'll create a data element separate, and then we create a fields. I mean, we assign the data element to the
Please.
table fields. Table fields. So also data we have inserted this way by going to utilities, table contents, create entries we have done manually. I mean, through the S11. S11 will not be having the access to the user.
Yes, sir.
So they will do through the SM30 only. So you take this table, go to SM30. As show SM30. Give the table name here. Click on edit. You see there is one error has come here.
Mm.
The maintenance dialog for a table is incomplete, not defined. Means we should enable the table to insert the data through SM30. That
Okay.
step we have not done.
Okay.
For that, what we should do is go to here again, S11. There is option here, go to utilities, table maintenance generator. Then you give the properties here. Authorization group. Okay, in the projects, right? Suppose you want to restrict the people, only specific people to insert the data into this table. So you use the authorization group here from the search help option here. So otherwise we go for without authorization concept here. For that generally it will be NC like this will be there. Not there. Generally it will be there. No authorization group option will be there.
Mm.
Otherwise, give the backspace here. Take, let's say I think it will be available. No? And function group is system will generate automatically schemes for this. So it expects the function group to be created. Either we can create a new function group or we can copy paste the table name only here. And this one step will two step will see detail.
Mm.
So we'll go for a one step or two step. I'll go 100, 200. We'll see what is this one. System will generate two screens for this one.
Okay.
You see that now. Once you see that output, you'll understood. Now, if I click on create, what will happen is it creates a screen. This two under this program, under this function program, to create the data into the table through SM30. Now click on create here. What is saying here? I think problem is not here. Let me cancel this. Again, go to utilities, table maintenance generator. I choose some existing value here. Table name 200 here. कार अभी नहीं चाहिए कार अभी क्लीन नहीं चाहिए नहीं चाहिए click on create here. Why it is coming this error? It should not come this error. Let me create one function group. Function group. Just I will do it, then I will explain. No?
Okay, sir.
This is the table name. So we'll go to, I'll take some other table. So this way, right? So you can search the tables which started with ZMAH. So that's why I'm giving the ZMA star. I took some other existing table. Put utilities, table maintains generator. So I'll give the table maintenance generator here. Same name. Ampersand ampersand. Two step 100 and 200 here. Click on create. I think some malfunction in the system it seems. Let me create one function group. Go to S380. I'll just try to create one function group with this name. I'll explain later because function group is the next topic. Test function group. Save it. So system is not allowing to create a function group. No. So I choose the existing one also is not accepting. Okay, I'll go to some other system. Okay. We'll create quickly a table and table maintenance as well. I'll create one new table quickly. Click on create employee table. Go to the every class here. Master data, transaction data. Go to display maintenance and load so that you can insert the data. You can hear me, right, Jerry? Hi.
Yes, sir. You are able to hear.
Okay, and Prasad, right? Sham Prasad. Okay.
Yeah, Shyam.
Sham. So I go to the fields here. So first of all is MA entity. Right? Why I said, if you remember, what is the purpose of MA entity here?
Client.
So it is because the data we are storing is the business data. Business data is client specific. Client field, three characters, client. Next, employee number, right? So we have taken numeric. 3 digits of employee number, employee name, character, 20, employee name, employee city, character, 20, employee city. Save it. It has the package. So I'll show you the package also how to create now only better. So to create a package, you should go to SC80. Package is one-time activity actually. So whenever we start a new project, so package will be created by one time. Basically, many projects SAP basis people will create and give it to us to use that based on the project rollout based on the rollout or projects, different types of projects. It's not regular activity.
Yes,
Basically, package is like a
projects
folder,
folder. Okay.
like a
Sometimes
folder.
they are thinking of upgradation these packages. That is
That is
different.
different.
Is different.
Upgrade packages are like system software related. That one. This is a component actually, like transports request to create we need to create a package. This is that package actually.
Okay.
That support packages are system updates, actually, new versions updates. That one. That package is different. Go to here with the package, choose the package option here, and then give the package name here. So in projects, this will be given the naming standards. We have to follow that standards only. Say support web and press enter here. It's like a folder to store all our programs. Press enter here. It says that does not exist, you want create. Click on yes. Then you can write here package for ABAP objects to store. This is the terminology we use. ABAP objects means all ABAP related activities what we do. Table, data element, program, all these things which we will be going to do. This is what we call as ABAP objects. Naming terminology. Application component you can choose module wise the module name under which module this package contains what type, what module work the task. You can choose here. For example, you can choose materials management and then purchasing area. Double click here. So that by seeing this package, anyone can understood that. So you are going to store all your programs, tables, everything related to the materials management purchasing area like that. And this software component, home, transport layer, all this keep it is default only because based on the system landscape, it will come. Landscape is structure of the SAP system generally. So landscape word is to make it clear now itself, theory point of view. Landscape looks like this. Mm. This is the development system. This is the quality system. This is the production system. So this is called a landscape. Means each system is different SAP system, production system. So all programs, what we are going to do, we develop means we write the programs here. You move to here, do the testing here, and then move to production system. Finally, this is a system where the live business will happen here. Here. It's a live business system. Users will be accessing here. User 1, user 2, user 3. So day to day, the user will be accessing this production system. Whereas here, the developers will be using it to create a programs, developers. And SAP functionals as well. Okay. Think of why we need like this. Why can't we do in the one system only? Why we need development, quality, production system separate? So why this landscape is made it as three different layers? Why can't everything to be in same system? Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
So what I was asking is why we need three different systems. This is SAP landscape, the typical SAP project, SAP system landscape, right?
Yes.
Generally, this is landscape,
Yes.
SAP system landscape. Or SAP, or you can say SAP project landscape as well. SAP system landscape. What I'm asking is why we need this one? Why we need these three different SAP systems? One is development system, one is quality system, one is production system. Why can't we do everything here?
It's a
Why we need this
configuration
separate?
layer,
Hmm.
configuration related. And whatever we did the configuration, we need to test in quality, sir. We have a two
Oh.
systems in development, golden client and
Hmm.
testing client.
Hmm.
But in
Those are the clients
additionally, we
actually.
have, yeah,
Hmm.
clients like clients.
Yes, yes. Here the clients will be again like 100 and 200 might be. Right? It depends on the project and all. So it's in the same system. 100 could be a development client. Development, dev. And this could be maybe unit testing client. So why can't we do everything in this system only? Why we should go again to quality and production? This is the users live system. Production system, the live system.
Yes, sir. That is
This is the live
entire
system.
business people will do it, their
Yes,
activities,
live system.
daily activities.
Yes.
But
So
development,
why I was
why
asking is, what I was asking is,
why we
why
use
can't we
multi
do everything here? Why can't we do programs instead of these additional systems? Why can't we do everything here?
sir, if you do the following the one system, we can't do changes anything, sir. It will impact the business.
Correct, correct. So because you know that is because the business it will impact. So if anything goes wrong here, you cannot play anything here. I mean, you cannot do programs and all creation. You cannot do anything here. You should do here. Move your programs from here to here, and then test here. This quality system will be done by testing here. User testing will be done here. User testing. User testing will be done in this system. And once user testing everything is working fine, then it goes to production system, live system. From here, the everyday users will be accessing this SAP system. Right? This clear landscape. Sometimes for the freshers also they will expect like what is the landscape and all. Just some basic things of how this flow. This we cannot simulate in the trainings because trainings will be having only one system only. But in the projects, live projects, this is the flow. So to move your programs from here to here, and you want test here, and then you want deploy here, it needs a package and transport request. That's the reason we are creating a package here. Package. This should be very meaningful here. You can give if you want, you can go day, month as well, October 2025, like that. This should be very meaningful. Every short description, what you give in SAP should be very meaningful. So that when we are searching, it will be easy to understand what for we are creating this package. Any questions here? Hello?
No, sir.
Right. So I'll press enter here. Yo, system went off. I'll create once again. The CAD, go to the package option, choose the package option here. The CAD is one transaction code. I was selling in the last session, sir. It is a technical transaction, not a business transaction code. Technical transaction code is for the developers to use, programmers to use it. Give the package name here.
Start with the SC belongs to only for technical, sir.
Good question. I think good observation.
Because yes, we are using SC 11, 16 years,
S11, SM30,
SC 38,
SC
37.
38. So many places we will use SC41, SC51. Good, very good. Yes, I think could be definitely. Because no business transaction codes, so we see anything starting with S, right?
Yeah.
All MM01, BA01, ME21, all these things.
Yes, yes.
Good, good. This is the beauty of teaching to the functional people or known people, so that I also to know something. Faculty also will get some. So package name. So package. Click on yes. Now the same thing will repeat. Give here short description. So this is only one thing I have observed in the SAP drawback. Why can't short description also they can keep it as a previous history should come, right?
Yeah. It's a
Right?
mandatory field, sir.
It's a mandatory field actually.
Yeah.
So if it comes the previous histories, it will save our time, right? Our developers. But in nowhere in ABAP or in SAP, you will get a previous history for the short description. This is what my observation. Mm, Package for ABAP objects. Right. Home. Click on enter here. So as I choose already the component also, I mean purchasing, and press enter here. It will ask the new transport request. For the package also, you should store in the package. Sorry, in the transport request. So you can
Sorry.
go for
So component means it is applicable to respect to function module, sir.
actually it is attribute only.
Okay.
It won't give any specific features for that module, but it is for identification purpose in the future, right? So if you go to the package, you come to know, okay, this is the package under this component has been declared. Hence, this package contains only the objects related to the MM module, like that.
So
Better,
when we create
yeah.
the tables, do we need to specify this table belongs to FI, CO, MM like that
No,
only,
only
or
package will mention.
okay, package. Based on the package, it
Oh,
will be available to the respective module.
respective module. This only for the identification purpose. No properties will change or no attributes will add related to MM module. Nothing. For easy identification purpose, basically. It's not mandatory that will actually. Here also the transport request, right? It will ask the transport request.
Yes.
You can create a new transport request for the new package. Click on create here. It asks
Sir,
the new package.
sir, sorry to hear.
No, no, no.
Workbench request is for system generated.
No. Workbench request is for all the above activities, whatever we do, technical activities. So it comes the workbench request option.
Okay.
Whatever you do as a SAP function point of view, the customizing activities will come as a
Yeah.
customizing transport request.
Okay.
Customizing transport request.
So we have transport request, customizer, and yeah, workbench request.
Basically
Understood.
two.
Yeah,
Basically, two.
two.
One is for the all technical activities, workbench request. For all the functional activities will be the customizing transport.
Okay.
It comes automatically that it will choose.
Okay, when we create any configuration, sir, we are getting this kind of only. Then how can
Ha,
we identify the customizer request?
it will show here.
Okay, okay.
It will show here customizing. Click on enter
Sorry,
here.
yeah. Sorry, sir, if I
Yes.
disturb anything.
No, no, no. It's not disturbed because we should ask. That will be interesting. Otherwise, it's not. It should not be mono. I mean, only I am telling. That's what my all classes will be. Okay. Now I'll press enter here. Create new transport request. Again, you'll get one more pop-up.
Yeah, pop-up.
So this pop-up is for transport request. What I mean, in one package, right? You can have multiple transport requests based on the object wise. Generally, in the projects, maybe if you go for, I think, Agile model, maybe the sprint wise we can give here. Otherwise, in general, for every task, right, we will be having the RACE ID. You might be knowing, right? Unique to
Any,
identifier for each of
yes,
them.
any
Unique to identifier.
enhancement,
Ah,
interfaces.
yes. So here I'll show you give here. Here for the new pack. This transport request is not for the programs. This is for package. That's why I'm giving just not a business. This one. TR for the new package to store objects here. Transport request for the package we are creating, not for the tables now, as of now. If you go here, this option in many projects I observed, they don't update or they don't make it a mandatory. I think through the settings, maybe SAP basis people, they can make it this one as a mandatory. This is very good feature, but many people they don't use it.
Yes.
This is also is like you can segregate your package, your transport request under which rollouts and all. Like you can see here the projects, you know, right? Every project will be having some project name, some
Yes, sir.
Europe rollout or Asia rollout, something like that. The project description will be there, project name will be there. That should be defined and then you should assign here. There will be very good practice. You can note down this point later, you can suggest also in your project if they are not using any project here. Because it's not mandatory, so we don't choose the project. Even if it is available also, people don't use this one. This option here. This is one very good feature where you can make it your transport request with respect to a specific project or specific release also. Here it is empty. That's why I'm not choosing anything here.
Okay,
Save
sir.
it
No,
now.
no question.
You got the point, right? Here.
Yeah, yeah.
You can hold this one later. You can note on a notebook or somewhere. It is a one good practice.
Yeah. I think previously in ECC, this option is not available.
No, no, no. Actually, this system now I open ECC only because that S4HANA was not working. Now this is ECC only. Both is
Okay.
there. Both
Okay.
is there.
Okay.
Both is. Save it now. Right? Now press enter here. Now you created a package. New package you have created. So this package we are going to use for now our table to store data. Take this package name. Go to the table what we were creating. I think it has not been saved. It would been went off. We will create one more table quickly. S11. Go to here. Click on create. All right. This should be as simple as possible. Not to give very lengthy table name. Okay. As I said. Okay. So why I'm giving MAH is because to search the names, my table is easy. Hence, I'm giving MAH. In the projects, we should not give any of our names. It is must to follow the naming document what it specify. It specifies generally like Z, MMO, module name, and information. Like for example, like hmm, I note down this. In general, the projects will be real-time projects. So will be like this. Will give like this ZMM. Say suppose materials data. Like this will give. So that by seeing this one, we understood this what purpose of this and which module belongs to this one. Or maybe PO, sales order data, PO. Or maybe sales PO or sales order like this. Okay, get the point here, right?
Yes, sir.
Click. So this also some projects, right? They don't follow properly. But lot of challenges will come when we are later when we are consolidating or anything and all. Is very time consuming by seeing the table name. What purpose of this table has been created? If it is a meaningful name here is easy. Here, click on create. Everything should be very meaningful. What we are giving here. This also should be very meaningful. Employee to store employee data. Generally, here also people will not follow proper this one, no? But it's important. We should not give X, Y, Z here. Right? Because by seeing this short description, we should be able to understand what for this table creating. Go to here, delivery class, go to a master and transaction data, go to maintenance load here, right? Again, we'll create here MANDT, client field, primary key field, and to give the data type to this one, go to predefine type here, and give here data type as client, re, client, and employee number. This also the better practice is make it as simple as possible. Don't make it here employee number and all because it's very difficult to write when you are writing the coding. Don't go for a MPLE number and all. It's very lengthy, right? We should make it simple. If you observe the all standard tables, right? If you go to any table, for example, Mara table, material master data, right? You see, maximum the field size is 1, 2, 3, 5 characters only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you observe, Cherry? Maybe your FI tables also you can check
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.
So
UKRS like
maximum,
that.
see,
Complete.
maximum is 5 characters only, right?
Yeah, yeah. KOKRS has
Maximum
maximum 5 characteristics. K
5 characters
star
only.
like that only. Wasted. Mostly five
You don't
characters.
see even less than 4. Less than 5 also you don't see generally.
Yes, sir.
This is what I was observed. So maybe this is the custom fields you added by using the structure and all. You can find here. But otherwise, you see only 4 fields only. 4 characters only.
So
You
custom
can see the
fields
sales.
can be extended, sir, more than 10 like that.
Characters you can give because you must should give ZZ. We'll take for BBAQ, for example.
In my previous enhancements, like that, there is almost 30 characteristics.
Field name. Huh?
Purchase price, exchange rate difference, like that. One of the field.
Okay, okay. Oh, we can give even
Yeah.
our But it is better to give as simple as possible because writing code will be easy inside the code program. That's the reason. See, observe if this table also, if you observe, you don't see anything more than 5 characters here. Field name here. Here it is there. One, two, three, four. Oh. It's append structure. See, append structure fields. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. But normal fields, you take any field here, is not more than 5 characters. 5 characters only. It's all five generic. I think this is good. Maybe from now onwards, I'll teach only examples. Also, I'll take only 4 characters only. But here, EMP number, right? And we have given here a character 20. Here should be employee number and employee name, E name, E name. 5 characters, MP number. We'll make it here also 5. E name, character 20. Employee name, employee city, character 20 here. Now save it here. You lost the package name. Now you should give the package what you created. Suppose if you forgot, search with ZMAS star. Go to here. It list out all my packages what I created with ZMAS star. MAH. Right? So which is the one just now I created? I think this is the one. Right?
October month, sir.
October. Choose this one. Save it now. Now it lost the transport request because this table should go to under the transport request. This is the flow.
Yes.
Flow is package. Under that, I will be having the transport request. Under this, you are going to create your table. This is the concept here. So now here you choose the create transport, new transport request here. Go short description is
After enable the package only, system create the transport request.
correct. Once you save it, actually, you are saving the package, then you will ask for the new transport request, or you can store in the existing transport request as well.
When we create in function module, my any configuration, we don't specify the package.
I think configuration time package we don't specify,
Yeah, I don't specify, sir.
but it generates this automatically the transport request,
Yes, sir.
customizing request.
Yeah. Let me check,
Correct,
sir.
correct, correct,
I will
correct,
do
correct,
the
correct.
standard configuration. I think you don't specify the package.
No, you are right. Because I observed, I give the demo of for creating the company to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
SPRO. I observed it will ask
Yes.
only the transport request only.
Yeah.
It won't ask any package name.
Maybe in custom development only it lasts.
Correct. So now I'll go to here. I'm creating new custom table to store the employee data. This should be also very meaningful here. A short description. I asked to give like this version 01, for example, and then 05 October. Like this. It should be very meaningful here. Many projects, many people, right? They will ignore this one, not very meaningful. They will give here as well. Some projects will define this also as an instance. This will caught in the reviews when we do the review, because every object, every program will do a review. At that time, we will see the transport request also. So that's why this should be very meaningful. So by seeing this, we should understood that what you are storing in this transport request, because request transport request is to store some programs, tables, all these things. Let's click on save. Right now, transport request has been created. Now your table is under the transport request. Okay, check syntax. Right, this is the error. It comes warning in the EC system only. HANA, they have taken off this one. This warning. The warning is whenever you want to, in the future, if you want to modify what type of fields you can add it. To avoid that warning, you can go for any enhancement category. Press enter here. Then you can choose either character or numeric data types. In the future, you can enter the new fields into this table. Click on copy here. No check syntax. No errors. Go to the activation. Right? Data class is mandatory, which we have done in the last session. No? What type of the data you are going to store, either master data or transactional data. Table properties, it won't affect anything, either you take the first one or second one. So internally store is a specific area, it will store this table in the database. Master data, go to size category, number of records, how many records you are going to store here. Save it now. You'll see this buffering later. Back. Activate here now. Right now we'll create a table maintenance to insert the data through SM30. I think before that we need to create a primary key. See here, suppose you think here, if like this the table is available, okay, think of how many records you can insert if there is a table structure like this. Think of how many records it can take in this table if the
Yes,
table you create it
the
this way.
limit of the insert the entries, sir.
Ah, so it will take only one record, it will take more than one record.
More than one record should be.
No, just will try it. Okay, we'll try it now. Activate utilities, table contents, create entries here. Right? So employee number, 100. Employee name is Rajesh. What is size I have given? Employee number. Oh, we can make it as a numeric. That's why big size came. That's why I was 3 digits here. Activate here. Now go to utilities, table contents, create entries. So I'll give the employee number 100. Rajesh, the city is Bangalore. Employee city is Bangalore here. Save it now. One record is saved. Now we'll create one more record. Right? Employee number 200. Ram, Hyderabad. Click on save. Do you observe why this error is coming? It is allowing only one record to insert. It will not allow more than one record to insert into this table. If you observe closely, you will get the answer.
Sir, if you are giving different numbers, sir, that employment.
I give a different number. Earlier I give 100. Now I'm
Now
giving
it is
200.
wrong.
By
I
seeing
think.
here, you can understood. You by just observe carefully this screen, then you get your answer. It is not allowing the second record. It's allowed only first record.
I think these three fields are differently we are giving the previous record and current record.
Oh, it should allow, right?
Yeah, it should allow. But mandatory client, you are not giving the primary key.
Here. Now tell me. You near to answer. You are near to answer. This is the primary key field. This one.
So,
This is the
yeah,
primary.
because employee number you are not giving the primary key. That
Perfect.
is, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Because the client is unique, right? Single record already is there. One record you have entered.
Mm.
Hence it won't allow.
Yes.
That is the reason must to be have one more field as a primary key.
Yes, yes.
This type of question they can ask for the freshers in the interviews or maybe in the multiple choice questions.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Concept oriented, right? Choose this. Now it will allow. Syntax. Activate now. Right now it will allow. So we'll create a table maintenance for this one so that data will insert to the SM30. Go to table maintenance generator. Copy paste this one. So I give scale numbers 100 and 200. Let's see how it behaves. See, it lost the package. Right? Why this package is system will generate now two different skins, skin number 100 and 200. And it generates this function group also because we are given this name. I'll show you where it will generate. Click on save. Save. Transport, same transport request.
But here we are not giving any function group errors, sir, because of
No,
the package.
no. That was some system malfunction. I think the other system, what I was showing just now, I
Maybe
observed.
some other issues in system that.
Some other because this all right, all demo servers.
Yes, yes.
Somebody is doing some maybe R&D or something like that. That is, I never
Oh,
get that error.
okay, okay.
Today I got that. Now I'll go to save option here. This topic is really very interesting. This table inserting data and all different ways. Now system is generating this function group and these two skins as well backend. Right? Request completed without errors. Now if you go to SM30, you can insert the data. Take this table name. Go to SM30 /o SM30. Why /o is to open the new session. Go to SM30 here. View table name, click on maintain. Do you see here there is a plus symbol has come?
Yes,
It
sir.
is not come the client and all. So the reason is because we have not created a data element. That is the reason. It won't come this default the column headings here. We can change this one, no? If you go to your system status, you see there is a screen number 100. You can see 200. You can see here. Screen number 200 here. This is what we are given.
Yes.
Double click here. Double click here.
In initial, we have 100 and 200 we are given.
So this is 200. 100 screen also I'll show it to you. If you go to here, you can modify that label as well here. Showing as editing. I think we'll go back here. Here. Now you go to here. Element list here. Right here. Text input output templates. You see here the plus symbol here.
Yes, yes.
This plus symbol you can overwrite here. Employee name. EMP number. And you can give here employee name here.
Why, sir, multiple records are updated here? Because of double screens.
Only headings. No, this is only headings only. Only table field information only this one. It's not records actually.
Yeah.
Employee number, employee name, employee city here.
Extend input, sir.
This one,
Extend
this one.
next, yeah, IO input and output.
This is the input output field value. So this is the text label. Label has come as a plus symbol. That's why only label I am changing. Wherever there is a text, right? That text I am changing to the instead of plus symbol, I am giving the value here. Now you can see the effect of this one. Save it. Text and text. Remove this plus symbol. Activate this one. Right? No, I can see now. If I go back, 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 go to maintain here. You see now EMP number came here. EMP employee name employee city here. Now if you go to new entries here, again new entries. What is this one see here? This screen is system status. This skin is 100. We are given two skins at 100 and 200.
Yes, sir.
Here also you have to make the changes. Otherwise it won't affect. Go to here. This practice we don't do in the real-time projects. Just to make you the power of the data element, I am doing this one.
Okay.
Go to change mode. Go to elements list. This is part of the model pool programming in ABAP. This is what you are seeing currently here. And see here now. Here also I'll change this to place simple. I'll give to here employee number. Employee number. Take off this one only here. And here employee name. Employee city here. Save it now. Activate now. Click on back. Cancel this one. Back. Now go to the maintain. Right? New entries. See here now. This is skin number 100. Skin number 200 here. The earlier one is skin 100. Now we can insert the new data. Employee number 200. More. Pune. Save it here. Record is saved. Go back now. Right? Go back. Maintain. Two records are you are having now. If you want to modify, you can modify here. Or you want delete, you can delete this one. This is what the feature of your SM30. You can choose this one, you can delete this button. The record will go from the database. Or you want to modify also, you can modify here. If you want, you can create a modifier. Save it now. Data is modified. You can check it this in SC11 as well or SC16N also. Right, go to here. Go to the table here. See the data here. Contents. Contents means records. Go to execute here. You see Bangalore and Mumbai. You changed. If you want delete this. Choose this delete option here. Data is deleted. Now go to the table here. Click on refresh here. Record is gone. So you can play around the data through SM30. You can insert, modify, delete. All the operations can be done through the SM30 T code. So basically concept here is this is the table. So this table you are entering the data through either SC11 only for the developers. Developers is possible. Or through SM30 for the user. This is the user. User is the person who is going to use your products, applications. So they can insert like this. There is one more way using the ABAP program. Using insert, modify, update, delete. With these statements also you can insert the data into the table. You can modify the data. You can delete the existing data. These are the different ways to insert the data. One is through SC11 directly to insert the data, or through SM30 by the user, or through the ABAP program writing a code where the data will go and sit in the database table. This is the concept. So next class, what I do is I'll go and take a data elements. We'll create a new data elements. This is the very important topic in the SAP ABAP data elements, because everywhere you use the data element. So we use the data element, and this data element can be used in the tables. And then as well as in the programs. Global data types. It will be very interesting topic, this data element. I'll stop here recording. You not seen my skin, huh? You were shared, right? Already my skin.
Yes, sir, we are able to see your screen.